Loom tutorial, how to use Loom, free screen recording tool. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with today's amazing screen recording tool, which is Loom. Loom is probably one of the best screen recording tools out there, especially if you are someone that is already using some of the tools present in the Loom ecosystem. Loom allows you to record your screen, and not only can you record your screen, but you can use some of their amazing features, including video hosting, Loom AI, security, and your video library. So let's get started. To get started, click on Get Loom for free to get started. Once you click on Get Loom for free, you're going to sign up with Google, or you can sign up with your email address. I'm just signing up with Google over here, and I'm just going to click on Continue to proceed with my Loom account. Now, there is a terms and conditions page that you have to go through whenever you're signing up for Loom. And once you go through that, you're just going to click on Agree. Once you click on Agree over here, you can proceed with your Loom account. Now, from here, you're going to answer a couple of basic questions about how you're planning to use Loom. So we want to use this for personal projects. And then after that, we're going to click on Continue. Once we click on Continue over here, we are going to name our workspace. By default, it just takes your name and places that as the name that is applied. However, if you're doing this for business, you can actually add your business name over here instead. Now, I'm just going to name this Lily's, and then I'm going to click on Continue. And once I do that, I can actually invite my team members as well. To do that, just add in their email addresses like this, and you can add different permissions. So if you want to add them as a admin, creator, or creator light, I am not going to actually add anyone. I'm just going to skip this. And we're going to proceed with our Loom extension. So there are two ways you can use Loom. Either you can use their Google Chrome extension, or you can proceed with their desktop application. So this just depends on your personal preference, what you prefer. I'm going to click on Install, and we're going to install the Loom screen recording extension. This is available on the Chrome Web Store. So simply click on Add to Chrome over here, and then you're going to click on Add Extension. Now, once you click on Add Extension over here, on the top right, you will actually see your extension is being downloaded. Once your extension is downloaded, a new tab is going to open up where you will actually see your account. So, once we have created our account, we can proceed with AI tools with their upgraded plan, but we're going to be discussing that later on in this video. And we're just going to click on Get Started. Once we do that, we can proceed with our Loom account. Now, on the left, we will have our Loom homepage, and we can click on Show Navigation to see our navigation. Then below that, we have a homepage, a My Library section, a Notifications tab, Watch Later, as well as History and Settings. So first off, you can actually convert your space or workspace in two different settings. So if you want your personal space to be segregated and your workspace to be segregated, you can go into Spaces on the bottom, click on Create Space, and let's say this is going to be my Spencer workspace like this, and I can enter the names of the members that I want to invite, and this is going to be a invite only space. Now I can click on Create Space, and this is going to be a segregated area where I can work. Now in my default space or default account, which is my Lily's workspace, I can go into the All section, and this will allow me to view all of the content present in all of the spaces in my Lily space. So this is the default space, and then you can create subspaces within that. Now, before we get started with actually recording using our video or screen recorder, we're going to go on ahead and create some settings. So we're going to click on Settings, and then we're going to select Personal Settings first. So this is your account settings, your notifications, your profile icon, your push notifications. Then after that, you can proceed with workspace settings. This includes your general workspace name, workspace logo, memberships. So if you want to create creator and creator light members, if you want to turn on Slack embeds, and then you have your plan and billing, members, insights, appearance data, and Loom AI. Now we're going to get started with actually doing some screen recording. So to proceed with your extension, simply click on the top right puzzle icon, and then I'm just going to pin the Loom extension over here. Once I pin my Loom extension, I can click on this extension like so. Once I click on this extension, you guys will see by default it has enabled my camera and microphone. So if I turn off the camera access like so, it's going to disable my camera access. And then on the right, we will also see the default microphone that is being used, the default camera that is being used, and we can click on turn off if we want to turn it off. Now, when you turn off your camera, you will see that only your microphone is working. And if you want to screen record, you can just click on full screen over here, and you're going to turn on full screen. Now, if I only want to record a particular window, I can select that window from here. I can also click on current tab only or camera only. So I want to record my full screen, and we can even click on different effects. Now these effects are for people that are using the camera on Loom. So you can add nature effects, color, blur, and other types of effects as well. Now from there, we can proceed with our blur as well. So if you want to blur any area, for example, I'm going to be recording the Loom screen anyways. Let's say I want to blur this information here. So I can actually blur all of this information and then proceed with my Loom recording. Now after that, I can even select a canvas. So if I want, I can actually use one of these note canvases as well. And I can type in my text if I'm trying to create, educational content. We even have text layouts. We have different templates available for our Loom recordings. So you can proceed with the type of canvas you want, or if you want to generally record your screen. Once you have set up everything as you like it, you are going to click on Start Recording. Once you click on Start Recording, you're going to confirm what to share like this, and you're just going to enable the entire screen recording like so. Now, once you do that, your screen recording will begin on Loom. So right now, Loom is recording my screen, and we can see on the bottom right, we will have this icon which displays our screen recording. Now, if you want to blur content as you go, you can actually select content like this to blur as you are recording, and then click on Resume Recording to proceed with your Loom recording. You can also click on the pause option to pause your recording, and you also can click on Rewind and Trim to trim any part of your video as you are recording it. Additionally, you can click on this Finish tab once your recording is complete. Now, once you complete your recording on Loom, you will see on the right, you have your edit. Now, in this, you can edit and enhance using AI features, which is all available with the premium plan on Loom. Then you have your activity. You have a transcript of what you have actually recorded. And you guys can see this is the transcript. Then you have views as well as your settings. You can set up a video thumbnail, add a background noise filter, choose the Loom branded player, and animated thumbnails. Then you can actually proceed with actually viewing the actual screen recording that you did with Loom. So this is the recording that Loom has. And from there, you can proceed with editing it as well. You can even click on your playback speed to alter your speed as well as the quality. And just like that, you can proceed with screen recording using Loom. It's especially helpful when you're trying to do time tracking for work tasks in your spaces. Now, this is all amazing, but Loom's AI features really do make it different from other screen recording tools. And if you want to get started with some of their more premium features, you can go with their Business Plus AI plan for only $20 per user per month. This allows you to remove filler words and silences, add auto titles, summaries, and chapters, build AI workflows, edit video transcripts, as well as other options. Then you have their business plan at $15, where you can record unlimited videos, unlimited recording times, basic waveform editing, and remove all Loom branding. And then their starter plan allows you to record 25 videos with a 5-minute recording limit, and you have a screen recording and camera bubble with transcription in up to 50 languages using Loom. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.